Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here recap movie clip. The film begins with the appearance of two men, one of whom is the main character. He was driving the car. They were taking a man while locking him into their car boot. He was a thief and has done many robberies. The hero of the movie and the other man stop their car at a deserted place. The hands and mouth of the thief were tied. They say, "We will release your mouth but you will not make noise." As they release the thief's mouth, the thief screams. The other man says to the man, "Either you can save your life while escaping from zombies or die with our bullet." The thief says he will save his life from zombies. They fire in the air and leave in the car. Many zombies emerged from the forest. They eat the thief and they come forward with the car coming at a distance. They stop their car. A man is heard while talking on the post. He was gathering the zombies at a place. The hero and his friend were there to see those things. The hero talks in his mind voice that the zombies come here because of noise. Zombies move slowly but they are dangerous as well. As a zombie bites humans, he gets down with a fever. The human drinks more water. Like this, he dies within 12 hours. Later, he gets converted into a zombie. The zombies come towards us because of the noise. To divert the zombies, they may talk in speakers. Now they return home. They have made this house in a protective manner. There was a shield all around the house. Two bodyguards were also sitting out of the house so no zombie can come near the house. They come inside the house and the hero asks the bodyguard, "Is everything alright?" The bodyguard answers, "Yes, everything is alright. We have everything for the next 6 months. Food, diesel, and generator were important to be saved from zombies at this place." The hero believes that no one can be trusted in this town. That which is human and that which is on the verge of becoming a zombie. The hero parks the car. He comes out of the car while cleaning it. The scene of the movie shifts and some people are shown here. They numbered around 30 or 40 people. The people are shown. The kids are also shown. They were taught while given an environment like school. A man named DJ is shown who distracts zombies with his voice through speakers. He asks the hero about the thief. That have they end him? Here, the hero asks DJ about the place heaven and says that is a secure place. We all can stay there safely and DJ says we are trying our best. Meanwhile, a man arrives and says to the hero, "The head of this place is calling you." Now the head was also asking the hero about the thief. The hero asks the head, "What information do you have about heaven?" But the head says, "We will not go anywhere because we have everything we need. That's why we are safe here." The head also tells the hero the zombies can't reach us. The hero says to the head, "We can't trust anyone for a long time." The hero leaves while saying all this. The hero was walking. Meanwhile, the thief's mother arrives. She was weeping and she tortures him a lot. She says, "You are a villain and you have ended my son." Everyone was seeing this. A girl arrives and takes the thief's mother from there. The hero's friend arrives and says the thief had to die. That's why don't be upset. The hero comes inside his house and his wife and daughter are shown. His daughter was drawing something. Maybe she was drawing her father's picture. The hero comes to the place where his daughter was drawing while sitting. He meets his daughter and they have dinner after a short time. Now the hero's wife asks him, "Where was he?" He tells her about the thief and she says, "You shouldn't end him. No doubt he was a thief but was a good human." His wife says, "We can't live here because everyone is our enemy," and he tells his wife, "I know about place heaven. We will go there. We will be safe there." Later, they go to sleep and the bodyguards were checking everyone at midnight. The hero's friend says, "I will handle everything here." He notices some people are coming to attack them but he didn't tell anything to bodyguards. He says everything is fine. This was his plan. Because he wants to be the head of the place while ending the previous head. They attack the place. They blast a bomb. The hero awakes because of the blast's noise. He has understood that we are attacked. He awakes his wife immediately and asks her to pack the bags. Because of the blast's noise, the zombies also appear there. On another side, DJ was talking in the speaker. He also gets alert while hearing the bullet's voice. Everyone was competing with each other at this place. They were firing each other and the zombies were eating the dead people. The hero's friend is shown going to meet his head. The man doesn't stop him that he is our companion. He shoots the head while going upstairs and the hero sees him when he comes downstairs. He thinks he has ended the head. He starts shooting him. On another side, the hero's wife and his daughter come out. The hero's friend who ended the head is shown attacked by the zombies. The hero ends all the zombies reaching there. Then he ends his friend while shooting. The hero's wife and daughter are shown. They were running here and there. They find a kid and also include him with them. Later, when they come out from the other gate, many zombies appear there. The hero's wife was shooting the zombies but zombies bite the hero's wife and also attack the hero. He removes zombies for thereby an alert method. His daughter was weeping to see all this but the hero thinks his wife will become a zombie. It would be better to end her instead of spending her life as a zombie. He shoots and ends his wife. Later, he moves at a far distance in a car with his daughter. The morning appears and the hero thinks we have to reach heaven soon. He doesn't know anything about the place. The hero sees the water on the way while moving. He stops his car and awakes his daughter. He gestures to his daughter not to make noise here. As his daughter awakes, she hugs him and starts weeping, because she was missing her mother. When they reach near the stream, his daughter questions him, how did the zombies reach there? He tells his daughter, we are here because of my friend. My friend deceived us, and his daughter says loudly, because of the man, none is alive among us. The hero makes his daughter quiet because they weren't saved there. She notices while talking to her father that his arm was bleeding. She asks her father about the wound. The hero says this may happen because of a shooting bullet. He checks while taking the sleeves up. When his daughter leaves, he discovers a zombie has bitten him. He thinks, I am changing into a zombie. How my daughter will live alone. He doesn't tell anything to his daughter, and his daughter notices a zombie coming from a distance. He asks his daughter to sit in the car without making a noise. The zombie arrives there when they lock the car door. They drive the car speedily from there. He thinks while driving he only has 12 hours. He has to find the place heaven within 12 hours, so he can drop his daughter there safely. He says to his daughter, you should learn the gun shooting. His daughter replies, being surprised, but why? He gives his gun to his daughter and teaches her how to load and use it. His daughter learns everything. She does the same, aiming while lowering the car mirror. Like this, his daughter learns gun shooting on the way. Later, the hero stops the car and drinks a lot of water. Maybe he was tired and was getting tired with the passage of time. He wasn't confirmed how much time he has left. He says to his daughter she should also learn driving. His daughter gets shocked hearing this and thinks she didn't learn the gun shooting properly yet and started learning to drive along with it. She sits in the driving seat and the hero was giving her all instructions. She drives the car but gets scared at first, but now because of the empty road she was driving well. He passes her smile while seeing this. He wishes her a happy birthday. His daughter informs him that her birthday is tomorrow. He says to his daughter, we are alive after all this and we should be happy at this point. Each moment spent with you this time is special for me. Suddenly, she puts brakes while driving. There were some people in front of their car. 3 people were standing here while blocking the path. One of them was aiming at the car. The hero comes out of the car immediately and shoots everyone. Later, they move forward. When his daughter inquires about them, he informs her they may have been combined with the people who have attacked at our place. The hero says to his daughter, we shouldn't believe anyone. His daughter says, how can we believe in heaven's people? The hero starts sweating while talking. His daughter asks, why is this happening? He says to his daughter, maybe this is happening because I have ended them.